Next, I'd like to show you guys how to register for Google Classroom. So just as a quick review, if you've been following along with the previous videos, we've installed our Google Chrome browser and we've signed in to our Google account. If you are using another browser, such as Firefox, it'll still work, but I'll have to show you a slightly different way to enter Google Classroom. So you can see here that we have registered for Gmail and we have our Google account. Our sync is on. So that's going to simplify the process of registering for Google Classroom. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in classroom.google.com. This will be in the description below, so you shouldn't have to type it in. You can just click on the link. And after this loads in, it's really just a matter of pressing the continue button, because as you can see, we've already signed in to our Google account. Now at the very beginning, this will look like a giant blank page. The way to create or join our first class is to simply follow the arrow here and press this plus button. So we're going to click join class because you're a student, obviously, and not a teacher. And you're going to have to enter the class code that was sent to you either by coordination or by your teacher. And I have one set up right here. It will look something like this. So if I copy this and then paste this into my class code field, I can then join the class by pressing join. And you can see I've now enrolled in this class. And you'll need to do that with all of your classes. Each should have its own unique code. Now, again, if you have a different browser, such as Firefox, you can do the exact same thing that we've just done. Again, using the same address, classroom.google.com. And we'll have to click on this button. And it's going to ask us to sign in. So unlike Google Chrome, which we were already signed into, we need to now enter our email address. And then our password. And in this case, we can click yes to have Firefox save our password. And you'll notice that we're already in it, and that's because we've just joined again. But if you weren't in a class, you can do the same thing that we did before by pressing join class and entering the other code. And it's really that simple. That's how you register for Google Classroom.